Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. As today we are going to unbox the OnePlus Nord 12GB plus 256GB storage variant, which is in blue marble color in my hand. As I know this phone is too old as of now in 2021, but still we clear some points about one should buy this phone in 2021 or not. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. This is the box from Amazon. By opening this, you can see the OnePlus box itself and a text with NORD, Nord. OnePlus branding. I have a blue marble color variant with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, and this phone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 765Z processor. Also we get 5G in it. You can see all details mentioned here. Let's open this lid. This way, Nord. Let's take this phone from the box. Wow, such a glossy finish, blue marble. Let's remove this plastic wrap. Let's keep this phone aside and let's check what we get in the box apart from mobile. As usual, we get a silicone case with it. This case is okay, nice, decent. Apart from this, we get some of paperworks and stickers of OnePlus branding and a SIM ejector tool. If you are high-end gamer, this phone disappoints you because of 4000 mAh battery in it. And this cool OnePlus branding cable in red and white, actually A to C cable, and a 30-watt web adapter. As per the company, it took 30 minutes to charge from 0 to 70%. Let's check by SIM ejector tool by opening the SIM tray. You can see the phone contains only 2 SIM, no SD card supported, and also no 3.5mm audio jack. This blue color is very beautiful, guys. You can see how this mobile looks actually. You can see at the bottom of the phone Type-C port, speaker grill, primary microphone and a SIM ejector tool. At the right you will get a slider and power button. In the left you will get volume rockers. In the top it's secondary microphone. Quad rear camera setup. You will get a 48 megapixel Sony IMX 586 sensor with OIS support and 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel for micro shot, and 5 megapixel is for depth sensor. In front you will get dual front camera setup, one is 32 megapixel and another is 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. Out of the box you will get Android 10 with October security patch in it. Obviously you can update to the latest Android 11 with latest security patch. In 2021 I think this mobile is not at all value for money, as many factors that affect not to buy this phone in 2021, like it has only 4115 mAh battery, and also it has very high price like 30,000. Nowadays people just want a phone with a less amount of price and with high end features in it, like Poco X3 Pro. For 19,000 it gives Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 processor in it. This 6.44 inch display with 90Hz Fluid AMOLED display, it's not at all good for the 4000 mAh battery as of we get in this phone. The battery gets discharged very fast. Also you can switch from 90Hz to 60Hz from the display setting. Although we get a fast charging of 30 watt adapter. So that's it for today guys. If you like this video then please subscribe the channel, and many more interesting videos to come in this channel. So stay tuned, stay safe, stay home. Thanks for watching guys. In the end you will get a sample photos which I took from this phone. Thank you.